Hey guys, it's Dusty Wetton, the tax attorney here at Tax Debt Services. Wanted to make a quick video about the upcoming extension deadline for October 15th. This date in particular is about filing a tax return. The same return that was due back in April is now due today. So if you filed an extension correctly, then this is when it is due now. And you will be late on October 16th if you don't meet that deadline. Now let's talk about what the extension did. It extended the time to file. It did not extend the time to pay. That payment was still due back in April 15th, or in some years like this year, it was a little different because of May. The COVID virus modified the deadlines. However, the extension stayed the same, and that's an extension to file, not an extension to pay. If you thought it was an extension to pay and now you're ready to make your payment, make sure you look at that again because it has to include interest and penalties that have accrued since April or May in this year. Going back to what the extension means in compliance, okay? If you do not file your tax return that you had an extension on by October 15th, you are no longer compliant with the IRS. This means that you are past due on your filing. Being past due on filing is worse than being past due on payment. I'll say that one again because people think this differently. The IRS cares more about you filing your tax return than making payment on your tax return. So be sure to file on time. If you are late, it could hurt a lot of resolution programs. It could affect your offer in compromise you might be in negotiations with. Well, you're no longer compliant if you don't file a tax return after October 15th. You don't have to file on October 15th, you just have to file by then, okay? So be sure to file. I have plenty of clients that wait till the very last minute on this. They will contact me the day of to make sure that things are filed on time. There is no need to put that stress on you. And most of the time it's because they think they're going to owe a balance, and so they don't want the IRS to know. Well, surprise, surprise, they already know your income and your withholding. So the only thing they don't know is something that might reduce that through deductions or credits. So they already saw that you didn't withhold enough, they're already aware of it. And you having a balance is not as bad as you missing a return. We can talk about this in another video, but there's a thing called a substitute for tax return. All right, a substitute for return is when the IRS files a return on your behalf because you never filed it. They already know your income, they already know your withholding, you just never filed a return. And so you not filing does not protect you from IRS collections. They will still prepare a return on your behalf and pursue after that debt, even though it's not an accurate return. Okay, so again, October 15th, it's right around the corner. It's this week. We want to make sure you file on time if you filed an extension. Please do not be late. If you have questions about this or any other tax matters, give us a call, 800-822-4122, or visit our website, www.taxdebtservices.com. Thank you.